If you want to embrace AI in your WooCommerce store, then you need to get onto an AI chat. Now, an AI chat is a type of technology that will appear like a live chat on your website, and it helps you create experiences with your customers without actually having to interact with them personally. So the reason you might want to do this is to reduce the amount of level 1 support and give your customers faster answers. So with StoreAgent, what it does is it adds an AI chat assistant to your website. And when you install it, it starts ingesting all of your products into your WooCommerce store. So I'm helping out a client of ours just with implementing the AI chat on their website. And you can see he's got 357 products, and it's ingesting these over time. It's got about 15 minutes left. And what it's doing is it's taking all of that great product information and it's using it to build context so that when it answers a customer question, it actually knows what it's talking about. It's got all of the data, all the information that you've spent hours and hours collating and putting into your product listings, all the metadata, everything. It's putting all this into an AI memory, which is stored securely on our StoreAgent servers. And when it's done with this, it's going to have the full context of this person's full store, all of the product information, and you'll be able to just query the actual assistant. And the assistant looks a little bit like this, and it appears just like a live chat, and it has the capability to answer your customer's questions just like you would, because it's using your data and your product information to answer the customer. It's very natural sounding. You can actually change a lot of the way that it works. You can even give it a different personality. So, this person's chosen informative, friendly, conversational. There's lots of different options in here. You can give it a luxurious tone, an emotional, urgent kind of tone, whatever you want, a bit quirky. Maybe your brand is a little bit quirky and you want to lean into that with your brand voice. You can totally do that with the AI personality settings there. You can change up the color configuration, the positioning. You can change the position on desktop, tablet, mobile, whatever you want. And you can even change the way that it interacts and talks with your users with a greeting message. So once this guy's products are all ingested, I'm going to give this a test on the front end. I'm going to ask it a few questions about his product catalog and just make sure it's answering nicely. But I just wanted to show you this is a very interesting tool that you can use to boost your e-commerce conversions, get your customers a lot more answers a lot more quickly, have happier customers that convert quicker, and they don't need to wait around for a support person to jump on a live chat or to answer an email. So if you wanted to get this for your WooCommerce store, so you can go to storeagent.ai and just start for free. You can go and grab a free account for this. It gives you all of the AI content features, which lets you generate like product descriptions and tags and all that kind of thing. You can get all of that for free. If you want to get on the AI chat, we've got a 1-month trial there that you can jump on and see how it goes for your store. And like it says, /support time, boost your customer happiness. I'm just excited to see how this can roll out for your store as well.